Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to add your Google, your Gmail email to your Outlook profile. So if you like Outlook, you can add your Gmail to the profile. You can see I've already added my Ample Blaze one. I'm going to just add another one. So just click on the home and then click on add account. Come across, and then what we can do is okay, I'll put the email address in and then hit connect. It will give you the Google interface. Hit next. Put in your password. It then prompts you to go to your phone and respond from your phone. And then once you've responded from your phone, you click on I have responded from my phone. It will then come across and tell you the normal stuff about allowing Google. You allow Google, and it will finish the rest of the process. Okay, so that second one has been added. If I wanted to add another email address, I would go there and hit next. Untick that box and hit done. Now what you can see is there is my Ample Blaze one. If we go down to the bottom, you can see the Borhan9@gmail has been added as well. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching.